Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn very beautiful speech on Hiroshima Day. Choose peace, let kindness lead the way, together we will build a brighter day. Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Arav Sharma. Today, I am here to speak a few words on Hiroshima Day. Hiroshima Day is observed every year on 6th August. On this day in 1945, an atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima, Japan. Thousands of people lost their lives and the city was devastated. This tragic event reminds us of the terrible consequences of war. Hiroshima Day teaches us that war never brings true happiness. We should promote peace, kindness, unity and humanity. Let us all promise to build a world where love is stronger than hatred and peace is more powerful than violence. Thank you.